Today, we'll only practice the present simple tense. So let's do that. I have got topics for you to speak on present simple tenses. Please participate and speak on those topics so that we can practice. And if there is any feedback, I will share with you guys. So that way you can understand the tense thoroughly and you will understand what's correct, what's not correct, and all. So let's get started with that. And just a sec, guys. All right. So as you know that we use present simple tense to talk about daily activities or routine activities or regular actions or habits, etc. So we'll discuss some of those today. I have got these topics for you in the slides. I would like you guys to speak on these topics for me. So as you can see, the first topic is my daily routine. I want someone from the class to tell me their daily routine, and please listen to that person carefully, because after that, I'll ask you to share this person's daily routine. Okay. So if you would like to tell us your daily routine, please raise your hand and I'll allow you to speak. Okay. So right now, okay. Aditya has raised his hand. So I'll ask Aditya to speak.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Aditya. How are you?
Ma'am, I am fine, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good too. Thank you. Aditya, please tell me how you're going to speak your daily routine. Share your daily routine with me.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, I wake up, then I brush my teeth, and then I wash my face, and then I do some, and then I do 1 to 2 hour exercise, and then after that I take a bath, then I take my breakfast, and after that I go for my study. I go for my studies, and then till 12 o'clock I study, and then after that I watch some TV, and then at 2 o'clock I take my lunch, and then I take some rest, and then at 6:30 I take my class at 6:30, and then after that I take some snacks, and then at 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock I studies, and after that I join the class, and after completing my grammar class, I take my dinner, and then I go to my bed.
All right. Thank you so much, Aditya, for sharing your routine. Now, I hope you guys were listening to Aditya when he shared his daily routine. I would like Kaushal to tell us Aditya's daily routine.
Aditya daily routine. Okay.
Yes.
So Aditya told that he wake up early in the morning.
Now that's what you need to keep in mind. If you're talking about someone else, you can't say he wake up. You have to say he wakes up early in the morning.
Okay, sorry. He wakes up early in the morning.
Okay.
After that, he take brush for cleaning the teeth.
He brushes his teeth.
He brushes his teeth.
Okay.
And after that, he takes bath.
Good.
And he takes he takes breakfast also.
Okay.
After that, he studies.
Good.
At noon. And after that, at lunch time, he completes his lunch also.
Mhm.
And evening time he plays some game, or
Okay.
evening time he takes English grammar class.
Okay.
After English grammar class,
Mhm.
he will go for sleep, or yeah, he
Yeah.
ends.
Or he usually goes to bed.
Yeah,
After the grammar class, he goes to bed.
he goes to bed. Yeah.
That's right. So Kaushal, that's what you need to keep in mind. अगर आप किसी और के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो आप he go to bed नहीं बोल सकते. He go to bed जैसा कोई sentence होता ही नहीं है English
He
में.
goes to bed. He goes
Right.
bed.
All the sentences you have to add ses. अगर आप किसी और के डेली लाइफ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, रूटीन लाइफ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो you spoke correct. Like when you said he wakes up, he brushes his teeth, he takes a bath, he takes breakfast, he takes lunch, he plays games. Aditya, you want to say something?
No, ma'am. I just raised my hand for the next turn.
Oh, sure, sure. Great. So Aditya is such an enthusiastic participant in the class. That's great. So guys, ये आप लोग को ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा. जब हमने अपने बारे में बात की, जैसे आदित्य ने अपने बारे में बताया, तो उन्होंने बोला कि I wake up, I brush my teeth, I take a bath, I take breakfast. But जब हम आदित्य के बारे में बात करेंगे या किसी भी और सिंगुलर पर्सन के बारे में बात करेंगे, तो हम बोलेंगे he wakes up, she wakes up, my father wakes up, my mother wakes up, my wife wakes up, my husband wakes up. किसी भी और सिंगुलर आदमी के बारे में बात करेंगे तो आप wakes बोलेंगे. केवल I, you और plurals के साथ आप SES नहीं यूज करेंगे. So that's something you need to implement and use when you're speaking. Let's do this activity once more. I will ask someone to share their daily routine. I'll ask Lucky to share his daily routine. And after that, I'll ask Ragini to share Lucky's daily routine with the class. So Lucky, please share your daily routine with us.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I wake up early in the morning at 6 a.m.
Okay.
After that, ma'am, I go to my school,
Okay.
and after that I back to my house at
I come back.
1:30 p.m.
I come back
I
to
come-
my house.
I come back to my house at 1:30 p.m.
Mhm.
And after that, ma'am, I take lunch
Okay.
with my brother
Okay.
at 2 p.m.
Okay.
And ma'am, after that, I play Free Fire in my mobile
Mhm.
at 3 p.m. And after that, I go to my tuition 4 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay.
And ma'am, after that, I take my English cafe classes
Okay.
at 5 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay. From 5 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, after that, I go to park
Okay.
and I play with my friends.
Okay.
And after that, I play with my brother.
Mhm.
And ma'am, after that, I watch TV.
Okay.
And ma'am, after that, I take dinner.
Okay.
And after that, ma'am, I go for walk at 8 p.m.
Mhm.
And after that, ma'am, I take my English cafe class at 9 p.m. And after that, 10 o'clock, I go to my bed and then I
Okay.
sleep.
Very nice, Lucky. Guys, wherever you are, you got to clap for Lucky. I'm going to clap for Lucky. I'm so happy with the way Lucky has made progress. Well done, Lucky.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so guys, I hope you are listening to Lucky's daily routine. And I hope you listen carefully. Now, I'm asking Ragini to share Lucky's daily routine with us. Hi, Ragini, could you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Ragini. So please share Lucky's daily routine, what he does every day.
He get up early in the morning.
Okay, so but Ragini, हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि he get up. वो उठता है कि इंग्लिश होती है he gets up.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. He gets up early in the morning, and he brush your teeth and
he brush नहीं होगा. Okay. So Ragini, you can listen to someone else and pay attention when they will speak. Can anyone else from the class share Lucky's daily routine with us? I want Lucky's daily routine. Shalini, can you share Lucky's daily routine?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good evening.
Yes, ma'am. He wakes up at 6 a.m.
Okay.
He goes to his school,
Good.
and he comes back in his home,
Okay.
and he takes lunch at 2 p.m.
Okay.
with his brother.
Good.
And after breakfast, after lunch, sorry, ma'am. After lunch, he plays Free Fire at 3 p.m.
Mhm.
And in evening he goes to his tuition 4 to 5 p.m.
All right.
and after tuitions he attends English cafes class 5 to 6 p.m.
Good.
and he goes to park. He plays with his friends,
Mhm.
and he after that he watches TV,
Okay.
and after watches TV, and after that he takes dinner, and he goes for walk, and he takes his English cafe classes at 9 to 10 p.m. After classes he goes to his bed at 10 p.m.
Very nice. Thank you so much, Shalini.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, and I really like you remembering that he plays Free Fire. Good. So guys, as you can see, हम किसी के और के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे हम लकी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम जो भी एक्शंस वो कर रहे हैं, हमें उन पर S बोलना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि wakes, goes, comes, takes, plays, attends, etc. So that's what you need to remember when you're speaking. He take कुछ भी नहीं होता इंग्लिश में, या he go कुछ भी नहीं होता, आपको he goes ही बोलना पड़ेगा. So remember that when you speak. और 9 से 10 बजे तक को इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे he takes his grammar class from 9 to 10 p.m. ना कि at 9 to 10 बल्कि from 9 to 10. So that's what you will say. He takes his grammar class from 9 to 10 p.m. and then he goes to bed. So I hope you guys understood this basic simple concept that if you're talking about your routine life, you will just use the first form of the verb. But if you're talking about someone else's routine life, you will add SES. We are going to do plenty of activities to practice this today. So please participate in the activities. Now let's move on to the next topic. I'll show the topic to you. Let me erase this first. Oh, that's the eraser. I need an eraser. Now let's move on to the next slide. Here it is. I want you to tell me, I want someone from the class to tell me 5 things you don't do. That means 5 things I don't do. Or 5 actions I don't do. And when this person speaks, please listen to this person carefully. And since Aditya and Lucky have already spoken, I want more people to come forward and participate. I want everybody to participate. So you have to tell me 5 things you don't do. That's the topic. All right, so I'm going to Aarti.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Aarti.
Actually, ma'am, I have just joined, so I something a little bit aware about this. What's going on? I just want I need to tell about 5 things.
You don't
which-
do. That's it. 5 things you don't do. That's all.
Okay. I don't do the nail biting.
I don't do the nail biting. I don't bite my nails.
Okay. I don't bite my nails, and I don't go outside without mask, without wearing mask.
Okay.
Uh, oh, I don't do disrespect senior citizens.
I don't disrespect elders. Okay. What else?
I don't get up late. I don't wake up. I don't sleep late night.
Okay. Okay.
I don't use more mobile phone.
Like I don't overuse mobile phone.
Okay.
I don't overuse mobile phone. Okay. Thank you for telling me 5 things. So guys, these are the 5 things Aarti doesn't do. I want someone to tell me 5 things Aarti doesn't do. Alia, please tell me.
She doesn't bite her nails and
Very
she
good.
doesn't go out without wearing a mask.
Mhm.
She doesn't disrespect elders. She doesn't sleep late at night and she doesn't overuse mobile phone.
Very nice. Thank you, Alia. So guys, as you can see, when somebody talked about themselves, they said, I don't do this. But when we talked about someone else, when Alia talked about Aarti, she said she doesn't bite. किसी और के बारे में बात करने के लिए हमें does का use करना पड़ेगा. We cannot say she don't bite her nails. She don't bite her nails will be incorrect. So you say she doesn't bite her nails. She doesn't go out. She doesn't disrespect elders. She doesn't sleep late night. She doesn't overuse mobile phone. So that's what you will have to speak when you speak or when you write. I hope you understood that. Let's move on and let's go to another topic. So here is the topic. So here is this. You have to tell me, just tell me 3 to 5 things you do regularly. Okay. Not every day, maybe not every day, but things you do regularly. Please tell me. I'll see. I am looking for new participants in the class. I'll go to Vandana.
Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Vandana.
I do exercise daily.
Okay.
I cook food daily.
Okay.
I go for walk daily.
Okay.
I play with my kids daily.
Okay.
I watch news daily.
All right. Thank you, Vandana.
Welcome, ma'am.
So guys, I asked her what she does regularly, but she told me 5 things she does daily. That's fine. So I would like Aman to tell us 5 things Vandana does daily.
Yes, ma'am.
So please tell us.
Good evening, ma'am. First of
Good
all,
evening. Good evening, Aman.
okay. I get up early morning daily.
No, you don't have to tell about yourself. Tell us about Vandana. Vandana ने हमें बताया 5 things she does daily. Tell us 5 things Vandana does daily.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. About Vandana, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, she attend the class daily.
But उन्होंने तो हमें ये बताया ही नहीं ना. उन्होंने हमें बताया, उन्होंने बोला I exercise daily.
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप क्या बोलेंगे?
She exercise daily.
She does exercise daily.
Think about it. You can say she does exercise, or you can say she exercises daily.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry,
Right.
ma'am. Yes.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one.
She cooks food
Hmm.
daily.
Okay.
And third one, she goes to for a walk daily.
Okay.
And the fourth, she plays
Hmm.
with my kids daily.
आपके बच्चों के साथ?
She
With
Uh-huh.
her.
I'm just kidding. Well, please correct.
ma'am.
Yes, she plays.
Yes. She watches new.
She plays with her kids. ना अपने बच्चों के साथ खेलती है ना वो.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
She
She
plays
watches
with her kids daily. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Watches new daily.
Good.
See, ma'am. See, I.
Yes. Now, can you please speak all these sentences again?
Okay, ma'am. She exercise daily.
Exercises.
She exercises daily. She cooks food daily. She goes for a walk daily. And fourth, she plays with her kids daily. And she watches news daily.
News daily. That's right. So I hope you understood it.
Yes, ma'am. I have understood all sentences.
That's great. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. So guys, that's how you can talk about someone else. Like Aman just talked about Vandana. I want you to talk about this topic. Can you tell me 5 things or 3 things that you do occasionally? The topic is activities I do occasionally. Occasionally का मतलब कभी कभी ही करते हैं, कोई खास रोज रोज नहीं करते हैं, but कभी कभी तो करते हैं. ठीक है? So tell me 3 things or 5 things you do occasionally. Like I go shopping occasionally. रोज तो नहीं जाते, but occasionally जाते. So I go shopping occasionally. Or I watch a TV show occasionally. So ऐसे काम जो आप कभी कभार करते हैं, उसके लिए हम occasionally word का use कर सकते हैं. So please tell me 5 things that you do occasionally. Like let me go to Rishabh. Hi Rishabh.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Please tell me 5 things you do occasionally.
I drive car occasionally, ma'am.
All right.
I go to shop occasionally.
Okay.
I drink occasionally.
Okay.
I travel occasionally.
Okay. One more thing.
Yes. मैम पूजा करना को क्या बोले इंग्लिश में?
I pray to God.
Occasionally.
Oh, that's great. Okay, great examples. So this is what, I'm sorry, what's your name? Rishabh. Okay.
Rishabh.
So this is what Rishabh told us. Rishabh does these 5 things occasionally. I would like Abhishek to tell us 5 things Rishabh does occasionally.
Sure, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Abhishek.
Okay, so first he said that he drives car occasionally. He goes to shop occasionally. He drinks occasionally. He travels occasionally, and last one, he prays to God occasionally.
That's right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Abhishek. So guys, as you can see, अभी हम किसी दूसरे के बारे में जब भी बात कर रहे हैं, when the person is singular, we use SES with the verbs like he drives, he goes, he drinks, he travels, he prays, etc. Yeah, this is very interesting. When we pray occasionally, just like only on festivals we pray, or when do you pray, Rishabh? Please let me know in the chat. Okay, so let's move on to other topics. Yeah, now I'm allowing you to tell me about your good habits. Please tell me some of your good habits. And even if you're not participating right now, Please think about these topics. Think about these topics, maybe write down these things, because your brain needs to practice. Your brain needs to think in English if you want to be fluent. So please think about these topics. So the topic is my good habits. Tell me 3 to 5 of your good habits. Sweetie, please tell me your good habits.
I talk with others politely.
Okay.
I respect my elders always.
All right.
I care my family.
Okay. I care for my family.
I care for my family, and I always help other people.
Very good. One more.
And one more. क्या था?
I'm sure you have many good habits. I just want
I
to know
know,
about.
ma'am, but this time I don't. Yes, I make delicious food for my family.
Oh, okay. I cook. Sorry, I cook delicious food for my family. All right. Sure. Thank you so much, sweetie, for letting us know. Now,
ma'am.
I would ask Aditya. Aditya, please tell us about 5 good habits that Sweetie has.
Ma'am, he talks politely.
Sweetie is a girl.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. She talks politely. She always respects elders. And she cares for her family.
Great.
She always helps others. She cooks delicious food for her family.
Very nice, Aditya. Thank you. So, Aditya spoke correct sentences. That's how you speak. Delicious होता है. आपको delicious बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होती. You only need to say delicious, like delicious. That's it. Delicious is the pronunciation, not delicious, just delicious. Similarly, courageous maybe जैसे कि courageous, courageous नहीं होता, courageous होता है. Similarly, delicious, courageous, etc. So that's what you will say. So please write this somewhere and practice the pronunciation. Delicious, courageous, etc. Okay. Moving on. Let's talk about your bad habits. Somebody has to tell me their bad habits in the class. All right, let me ask Kirti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kirti, let's talk about your bad habits.
Okay. Okay. My bad habits. I am short-tempered.
All
So
right.
this is my bad habit. And if people definitely means sometimes they feel means another person too much emotional, and I'm taking all these things in a logically way. So maybe it's my bad habit.
Do you mean you are very practical?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, some people are, if they are emotional, so I'm frustrated from them.
Okay. So I always think practically.
Yes,
All
I
right.
always think practically.
All right.
Not
Next
emotional.
one. Okay.
And I'm so practical to my official work as compared to instead of my families.
What does that mean? So I'm more dedicated to my office?
I'm more dedicated to my office work, to my
Okay.
office instead of my family.
Okay. Okay. Next one.
I like to cook food.
Okay.
for myself.
All right. That's great. One more, please.
I don't like too much. I don't like wear too much accessory according to Indian culture.
I don't like to wear many accessories.
Accessories
Okay.
according to Indian culture.
All right. Got it. Thank you so much, Kirti.
Yes,
Yeah, very bad habits that you have. Thank you for letting us know. Now let's talk to someone else and I will ask them to talk about your bad habits. Let's go to Jitender. Hi, Jitender.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Jitender. Please tell me about Kirti's bad habits.
Yeah, she has short temper.
Okay. Actually, you will say she is short-tempered.
Okay, she is short tempered. Okay, and she always thinks practically.
Good.
She is more dedicated to her office.
Good.
She likes to cook food for herself. She don't likes to wear too many accessories.
Please correct this sentence.
She don't like.
No, that's not correct.
She don'ts.
No, there's no don'ts.
She don't. Sorry. She doesn't.
That's
My
right.
mistake. She doesn't like to wear too many accessories.
That's
Sorry,
right.
my
So
mistake.
that's what you will say. Please remember it. She
She
doesn't.
doesn't like. Yeah. My mistake. Sorry.
Good that you learned it. That's how we learn. We learn by making mistakes. So she doesn't like to wear too many accessories. That's the sentence. She goes. The negative is she doesn't go. I go. Negative is I don't go. So with I, we use do. With you, we use do. With plurals, we use do. But with all singulars, we use does. So please keep that in mind when you are speaking negative sentences. All right. So we just learned that. We just learned Kirti's bad habits. Now let's move on. Let's talk about another topic. Okay. So I want somebody to tell us things you like and things you don't like, or actions you like or actions you don't like. But we'll talk about, first of all, we'll talk about things you like or things you like very much. Ravin. Hi, Ravin. Could you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Hi, Ravin. Good evening. Please tell me about 5 things you like.
I'm like, ma'am, I'm talking about just someone do me like someone done for me like I'm.
5 things you like means ऐसी चीजें जो आपको अच्छी लगती हैं, ऐसे actions कर, ऐसे काम जो आपको करना पसंद है. That's what you need to talk about.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes like just some my friend, some anyone like I'm talking about my friend. Someone sometimes face problems, so I motivate them.
नहीं, आपको मुझे बताना है ऐसी चीजें जो आप पसंद करते हैं या ऐसे काम करना जो आप पसंद करते हैं. तो आपने क्या बोला?
Same thing I'm saying, ma'am. Like sometimes my friend face some problems, so I motivate them.
Oh, I like to motivate them.
Yes, ma'am. I like to motivate them. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And I like traveling, ma'am. And I like gym.
Okay.
And I love book reading.
You like gymming and you love book reading. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What else
And
do you like?
I like planting. I think five is done.
Okay. You said I like planting
Yes,
trees.
ma'am. Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you, Ravin, for letting us know. He has a very interesting list of things he likes. That's great. So let me ask Pawan. Pawan, please tell me 5 things Ravin likes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Pawan.
He likes to motivate his friends.
Okay.
He likes traveling. He likes gymming. He loves reading books.
Good.
And he likes painting trees.
Very nice and correct sentences. Well done. So, और अगर आपको negative sentences बोलने होते थे, what would you have said, Pawan?
Yes, he don't likes to motivate his friends.
No.
He
He के
doesn't-
साथ
he
we
doesn't
don't
like-
use. हाँ, yeah. So please use the correct
He
one.
doesn't like to motivate his friends.
Okay.
He doesn't like
He
traveling.
doesn't.
Doesn't like traveling.
जब हम doesn't बोलेंगे तो फिर हम likes नहीं बोलेंगे.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Yes. He doesn't like gymming.
Okay.
He doesn't love reading books.
Good.
And he doesn't like planting trees.
Wonderful. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So guys, yes, that's how you're going to speak about things somebody likes or doesn't like. Now let's move on and let's now talk about things we don't like. Somebody has to tell me 5 things they don't like. So please tell me 5 things you don't like. Let me see if I can find someone who's new. Can I have some new participants? Somebody who hasn't participated yet? Maybe Mona or Pooja or Rishu or Amrita or Shubham. Anyone from the class who hasn't participated yet? Please. Okay, I'll go to Mona. Hi, Mona.
Hi, actually, I'm not participating because of my baby. He'll come. Okay, I'll try. Okay.
Let's
I
quickly
don't
speak
like,
5 sentences. Yeah.
yeah, I don't like liars.
You don't like liars. Okay.
I don't like bad habits.
Okay.
I don't like Thai food.
What food?
Thai food. Thai.
Oh, you don't like Thai food. Okay.
Okay. I don't like going out with friends.
Okay.
I don't like to wake up early in the morning.
All right. Right now, you just said that you don't like bad habits, but I think not waking up is a bad habit.
I'm just making it.
Yeah. Well, I'm being too critical. Okay. So here it is. Here's what Mona just told us. Thank you, Mona. So Mona just told us these 5 things that she doesn't like. I don't like waking up early in the morning. So that's what Mona said. Now let's move on and let's ask Deepika. Deepika, please tell us 5 things Mona doesn't like.
Like liars. She doesn't like bad habits.
Okay.
She doesn't like Thai food. She doesn't like going out with friends. She doesn't like waking up early in the morning.
That's right. Thank you, Deepika.
Welcome, ma'am.
So guys, that's how we talk about someone else. Okay, Kirti says, I'm sure Ravin likes to keep himself fit. Yes, we all think so because he likes gymming. So keep himself fit, Kirti. That's what you should say. Keep himself fit. Okay, great. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so here is another topic for you guys. I would like you to talk to me about similarities and dissimilarities between someone else and you. Let's first talk about similarities. Can you tell me some things that are similar between you and maybe your best friend, or between you and your boyfriend or girlfriend, or between you and your spouse? Tell me a few similar things. Tell me a few similarities. Let me try talking to, okay. Kirti, hi Kirti.
Yes, ma'am.
Kirti, please tell me some similarities between you and someone else.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, there are some similarities in me and my husband.
Okay,
So,
sure. Let's talk about that.
Similarities?
Yeah.
So we both have we both are passionate to about, sorry, can I repeat that? We both are passionate about our work.
Okay.
And we try to utilize our time maximum to our official conversation.
Okay.
To improve on daily basis and to improve mentally and physically as well.
Okay. All right.
Also, I have seen in lots of couples, they are means involved in some means what we can say, enjoy and entertainment their life, but we both have one similarity. We don't want to waste our time in these things.
Okay.
We utilize our time in virtual things and growth, or to help someone by business purpose.
Okay. All right. Anything else?
Yes, all these things means similarity only. If
All
we are
right.
talking about some other things, can I say?
Okay,
or
later.
other
Right
thing?
now, only similarities. Thank you. So now, can somebody tell me what are the similarities between Kirti and her husband? I would like Vandana to tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vandana.
They are passionate about their work.
Okay.
They try to utilize their time in the best possible way.
Good.
They don't like to waste their time.
Okay.
They utilize their time for growth related activities.
That's right. Thank you, Vandana. And Vandana,
Yes, ma'am.
can you talk to me about 5 things that are not similar between you and your husband?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so please go ahead. Okay, I had to mute everybody because there was background noise. I'm coming to you, Vandana. Please speak now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vandana.
Can I tell?
Please, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. My husband and me are dissimilar in liking food.
For example?
For example, I like spicy, but he likes very simple and non-spicy food.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
I like traveling, but he doesn't like.
All right.
I like to talk many things, but he wants to be silent every time.
All right.
And he I like very sweet sound, but he like sometimes he shouts.
Okay.
And
I mean, you speak very softly.
Yes.
But he shouts sometimes.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
I like to I like not more caring about my kids, but he cares very much to kids.
Okay, so I don't care too much.
Yes.
About our kids.
Our kids.
But he cares
a lot.
All
Yes,
the time.
All the time.
Okay, got your message. Thank you, Vandana, for letting us know.
Thank
so guys,
you.
Thank you, Vandana. So Vandana just shared some similarities and dissimilarities between her husband and herself. So as you can see, when she talked about herself, she said, I like spicy food. But when she talked about someone else, like when she talked about her husband, she said he likes very simple and non-spicy food. Similarly, she said, I like traveling, but he doesn't like traveling. And in a similar way, I want somebody in the class to now tell us what are some similarities and dissimilarities between Vandana and her husband. So let me ask Alia to share these similarities. No, these dissimilarities actually.
She likes spicy food, but her husband likes very simple and non-spicy food. And she likes traveling, but her husband doesn't like it. She likes to talk a lot, but her husband likes to be silent. And she speaks very softly, but her husband shouts sometimes. And she doesn't care too much about their kids, but her husband cares too much all the time.
All right. Thank you so much, Alia. So guys, if you were listening to Alia, you have observed that Alia, when Alia spoke, इन्होंने बोला, she likes spicy food, but her husband likes very simple food. इन्होंने दोनों बार likes ही use किया because इनके लिए दोनों ही third person हैं. ये third person है. First person मतलब I, second person मतलब you, और उसके अलावा जो भी है वो third person है. I और I फर्स्ट है, यू सेकंड है, बाकी सारे थर्ड पर्सन है. मतलब जो यहाँ पे नहीं है, हम उनके बारे में बात करें तो वो थर्ड पर्सन है. जैसे अभी यहाँ पे अभी हम इनके हस्बैंड नहीं थे तो शी वाज यूजिंग ही लाइक्स. Similarly, Alia was talking about a third person to the class. So she said she likes spicy food, she likes traveling, etc. So that's how you need to speak when you talk about these things. I hope you are getting more clarity about how to speak about someone's day-to-day life or their likes, dislikes, things they do regularly, etc. Let's move on. I have a couple of more activities. Okay, we will do this one. Oh, why not talk about, why not talk about some general facts? Let's talk about it as well. We also use present simple tense to talk about general things, to make general statements. General statements क्या होते हैं? For example के वो बहुत अच्छा गाती है, तो ये किसी के बारे में एक fact है. So we use present simple tense and we say things like she sings very well. या फिर Indian लोग बहुत spices खाते हैं. It's a general fact. So Indian लोग बहुत spices खाते हैं, मतलब Indians eat a lot of spices. इंडियन लोग बोलने के लिए इंडियन पीपल बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. सो प्लीज कीप दैट इन माइंड. इंडियन लोग मतलब इंडियंस, अमेरिकन लोग मतलब अमेरिकन्स. इंडियन पीपल बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. यू विल ओनली से इंडियंस ईट स्पाइसी फूड. ओके, या फिर जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि ब्रिटिश लोग बहुत चाय पीते हैं. So British drink a lot of tea. These are general facts. I would like some of you to tell me some general facts about life, about people. Tell me some general facts in English, some facts that you know. So please raise your hand if you would like to tell me some general facts about things, general facts about people, general facts about this world. Please raise your hand and tell me. Okay, let me go to Aditya. Aditya, can you tell me some general facts?
Yes, ma'am. I draws very beautiful drawings. I draws very beautiful drawings.
We don't say I draws. We don't say I draws, na? What do we say?
I draw.
Of course. So please remember, we don't say I loves you. कोई नहीं बोलता ये sentence को, कोई भी incorrect नहीं बोलता. We always say I love you. क्योंकि हम I के साथ S use नहीं कर सकते ना. So we can't say I draws, we'll say I draw. Okay, so what's that fact? I draw beautiful paintings. Oh, I've lost Aditya. Yes, Aditya, what were you saying?
I draw beautiful paintings.
Okay.
And 64% of Earth's water is in glaciers.
64%.
Yes.
64% of Earth's water is in glaciers. Okay.
And the guard ants protect their protect their holes with their heads when someone attacks.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much for letting me know. Thank you, Aditya. I'll go to someone else for more general facts. Let me go to Aarti for some more general facts. Hi, Aarti.
Yes, ma'am.
Please share some general facts with me.
Most of Indians take a tea in morning time.
Okay, so most Indians take tea in the morning. All right, sure.
And most of the Indian have care more about the social rules.
Okay, so most Indians care about social what?
rules,
Rules.
something. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll write social rules. Okay, thank you. Yes, these are some general facts about Indians. I agree with you. Ravin, could you give me some more general facts?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
sun
Ravin.
rises in the east.
Yeah, that's a universal truth as well. General, hey, yeah, but this is a universal
okay,
truth.
okay.
Like he said,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
sun rises in the east. Okay.
And second is, ma'am, Delhi's people throw Delhi's people
Mhm.
don't throw
Okay.
don't throw dust in the garbage.
Don't throw garbage. कहाँ पे नहीं फेंकते वो?
Dustbin, ma'am.
Okay, so Delhiites don't throw garbage in the
Delhi has okay.
dustbin. Delhi के लोग मतलब Delhiites.
Delhi people, yes, ma'am.
Delhiite मतलब Delhi के लोग Delhiites. Delhiites don't
Okay,
throw
ma'am.
garbage in the
And
dustbin. Okay.
Delhi don't throw garbage in the dustbin. Okay, ma'am. And third is, ma'am, when no, ma'am, I forget.
Okay, please think
I
about
don't
more.
remember.
You can think about more. Let me ask someone else in the class. Lucky, can you give me some general facts about people, about someone?
Okay, ma'am. I say general facts. My father.
Okay.
Then my father job in CRPF.
My father works.
My father works in CRPF.
Okay.
And now my father lives in Jammu Kashmir.
Okay. My father lives in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay.
And my father is 38 years old.
Very nice. Okay, thank you, Lucky.
My father likes red color and I like red color.
Very nice. My father likes red color and I like it too. Good. Thank you so much, Lucky. So guys, yes, all these are general facts. To talk about general facts, we use present simple tense, as you can see here. We have used present simple tense to talk about a lot of general facts. Like I draw a beautiful painting, 64% of Earth's water is in glaciers. Most Indians take tea in the morning. Most Indians care about social rules. The sun rises in the east. So all these are general facts about things, about people, about country, etc. We use present simple tense for it. Now, moving on to another thing. Oh, is our time up? Okay, we can take a couple of more minutes. So, we also use the present simple tense to talk about universal truths. जैसे कि एक यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, एक्चुअली हमको 2 यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ अभी लोगों ने बताए पिछले उसमें. कौन कौन से यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ बताए हमें लोगों ने? कैन यू टेल मी? अभी इससे पहले जो लोगों ने बोला उसमें हमें 2 यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ मिले. Which were the 2 universal truths? Alia, could you tell us?
The sun rises in the east.
Okay.
And other, I don't know. But may I?
Sure, tell us about more universal truths.
Smoking is injurious to health.
That's right.
And UP is the UP is the highly populated state of India.
Okay.
And Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders.
Okay. All right. Anything else?
No.
Okay. So yes, all these are kind of universal facts. I'm not sure what UP is highly populated, but yes, I guess it's true as well. So like Alia said, smoking is injurious to health. UP is a highly populated state of India. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. All these are universal truths. To talk about universal truths, we use present simple tense again. And there's one more, and the last thing that I want to discuss about with you is, we also use present simple tense to talk about a state. अभी तक तो हम actions के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, but हम non-action sentences भी बोलते हैं. State मतलब कि जैसे कि she is happy, he is sad, it is hot today, it is cold today, or the food is delicious, etc. Yeah, she is a very kind person. तो ये सारे कोई स्टेट हैं, कोई एडजेक्टिव है किसी के बारे में, तो दैट्स आल्सो प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस, जिसमें हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म में इज एम आर यूज करते हैं क्योंकि ये बी की फर्स्ट फॉर्म्स होती हैं. तो दैट्स आल्सो प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस व्हिच वी यूज टू टॉक अबाउट स्टेट्स. एंड देन दिस वन मोर थिंग, वी आल्सो यूज प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस टू गिव इंस्ट्रक्शंस, ऑर्डर्स, एटसेट्रा. कैसे? फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हमें किसी को बोलना है इधर आ जाओ, दैट्स एन ऑर्डर. So we use present simple tense. We say come here, या वहाँ चले जाओ, go there. या फिर instruction देने, आप ऐसा करो, वो वाली फाइल खोलो, तो open that file. फिर उसमें ये की प्रेस करो, press that key. फिर इसमें ये टाइप करो, type this. So these are instructions, है ना? जैसे for example चाय कैसे बनानी है, चाय बनाने के instruction देने, तो आप बताओगे कि okay, take 2 cups of, we take a cup of water, add tea leaves, bring it to boil, add some milk, etc. So ये क्या है? ये instructions हैं. जब भी हम किसी को instructions या orders देते हैं, तभी भी हम present simple tense use करते हैं. But usually instructions, orders वगैरह में हम you word को हटा देते हैं. Instructions हम mainly second person को ही दे रहे होते हैं. But we don't say you come here. We say come here. We don't say, we don't say you take a cup of water. We say take a cup of water, boil it, add tea leaves. इसमें हम यू को हटा देते हैं जब हम इंस्ट्रक्शंस, ऑर्डर्स वगैरह दे रहे होते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ते हैं इंग्लिश में, तो आपने देखा होगा कि न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइंस यूजुअली प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस में लिखी होती हैं. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी मीट्स जो बाइडन, तो मोदी मीट्स बाइडन ऐसा न्यू हेडलाइन लिखा होता है, जिसका मतलब एक्चुअली ये होता है कि मोदी मेट बाइडन. बट न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइंस यूजुअली प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस को इस्तेमाल करते हैं ऐसी चीज़ों को बोलने के लिए जो ऑलरेडी हो गई हैं, बिकॉज these are newspaper headlines and they have to create a present effect. They have to create a current kind of effect. So they use present simple tense to write the headlines also. आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना कल और उसमें headlines देखना, ज़्यादातर headlines present simple tense में लिखी होती हैं. For example, car runs over a farmer. So that's how you will see. So वहाँ पर present simple tenses का बहुत use होता है. Apart from that, sometimes present simple tenses also used to make announcements. जैसे अगर आप bus stations, train stations, airports वगैरह पे announcements सुनेंगे, तो they say that the next For example, the next train arrives at this time, or the train to XYZ place arrives at this time. जो कि वो फ्यूचर के लिए यूज कर रहे होते हैं, वो ये कह रहे होते हैं कि द ट्रेन विल अराइव एट दिस टाइम, बट वहां पर भी हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल वाले सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स यूज कर लेते हैं. So these are the different uses of present simple tenses that I wanted to discuss with you. So the point to note here is कि आप किसी और के बारे में बात करें तो आप SES यूज करेंगे verb के साथ, और नेगेटिव में आप doesn't यूज करेंगे. doesn't यूज करेंगे तो verb पर SES नहीं बोलेंगे, आप doesn't goes नहीं बोलेंगे, केवल doesn't go बोलेंगे, या doesn't eats नहीं बोलेंगे, doesn't eat बोलेंगे. So that's all you need to take away from today's class. And if you need to go through this lesson again, please do that. I'll upload it on YouTube. You can watch it there again. And right now, if you have any questions about present simple tense, we'll discuss those questions. In case there are no questions, please feel free to leave the class, and I'll see you on Monday. And raise your hand and ask your questions if you do. You're most welcome, Mona. Good night. Okay, so sweetie, do you have a question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this sometime before sometime you said ना कि general question, तो हम ये बोल सकते हैं क्या? All British take red wine with dinner, right or wrong?
Of course, it's kind of a general
And
sign.
the universal question में ये हो सकता है कि all Purnima moon comes to circle.
I'm sorry, I couldn't get that sentence.
Sorry, नहीं, all Purnima moon come to circle. मतलब हर पूर्णिमा को moon गोल निकलता है.
Oh, so moon, it's full moon.
हाँ, full moon, तो full circle. I mean.
Okay.
All Purnima moon come to full circle.
You can say that.
बोल सकते हैं ऐसे?
Yes, yes.
Right है?
Yes, you can say that.
Okay, that's it, ma'am.
All right, good, sweetie. Good to have you back. All right, Kirti, do you have a question?
Ma'am, can you, hello?
Yes, Kirti.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you upload this session as soon as possible?
Sure, immediately after. I mean, it takes around half an hour for this file to process, then I can upload it.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, if I ask related to earlier class any question, so can I ask anytime? Tomorrow
Absolutely.
or
Please feel free
Sunday?
to ask any question anytime. I'm available.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're
That's
most
it.
welcome. All right, great. Okay, guys, so let's meet on Monday. Have a good night, everyone, and enjoy your weekend.